visualize the win. Hey, visualize the win, Jesse. I'm serious, you gotta listen to me, man.
Who are you racing? Jesse, don't do it. I bet you he's got more than 100 grand under the hood of that car.
Pop your motor or pop a coupler?
Nah, I don't know.
Look at this. Where's your intake at?
Huh?
Pop your motor or did you pop coupler?
Huh?
Motor or pop a coupler?
Nah, I don't know.
Look at this. Where's your intake at?
Huh?
You didn't put your intake on?
Nah.
Damn.
I think it's the full tank sensor.
It came off?
Well, the check engine light came on, and then as soon as it hit on, it started buckling like that.
Oh. DSM problems. These things are monsters, but when they throw a fit, they throw a fit. Are you gonna simulate the front O2? Let's simulate it and see if make it any different.
That sounds like shit. Sounds a little better.
There's a misfire somewhere.
From what?
I don't know.
This stick type of thing, or?
Nah. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys seen the first clip of this, we went out for a cruise and it broke down. We have a huge exhaust leak. We're gonna see if we can find it. Alright dude, give it a start. Oh, I feel it. Oh, it's somewhere in here. Alright. What's up guys? So, I want to give a quick update. It's going to be a short video. I wasn't able to get as much content as I wanted for this particular video, but we did end up taking the Talon out that I finished up for my brother. We ended up going for a cruise. The Evo 9 that you've seen on the previous video, which is this guy right here. End up tagging along as well. We're starting to get motivated to get the Evos and DSMs out. So we were able to cruise around. We did a couple hits, nothing too big. It did pretty good, which you guys will see here in the video. Hope you guys enjoy the video. It's gonna be really quick. All right guys, enjoy this one. Peace. What's in here? Oh, what the hell? Oh, what the hell? Look what I found. Dude, I think this might be your issue here. Oh, that's gone. Yeah. Where'd it come from though? Oh, you know what? Let me get my handy dandy flashlight. Get that freaking camera. Well, it came out off your housing, your turbine housing. I think that's why. Big old exhaust leak. That's probably why you lost all that power. They probably, hopefully, we're just gonna have to double check all of them, dude, just to make sure. We're gonna have to tighten all of them, make sure they're all tight, throw that one back in there, and then that should be it. So, we found the leak. Let's go ahead and get it fixed. Got it. Boom. That sucker goes. Ooh, it's a tough spot. Wish there was no light, because my light just went away. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and throw this in there, bolt it up, and hopefully that should solve the issue. I'm pretty sure it is going to.
Start her up, dog.
Guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Luckily we found out what was wrong with it. We got it all taken care of. We're just gonna keep working on it. We gotta put more miles on it. Obviously after that first clip, this thing's a beast, man. We did some simple tuning, I guess you could say, on 91 with DSM link, and we were able to get it, you know, fair enough to where it's only on 10 pounds, and I think we're getting about 10.8, 10.9 wide open throttle, which is pretty good. And it kept up with that with the Evo 9 that's on E85. So I think this car's gonna be doing good, man. It's gonna be a beast of a car, and it's actually it's good seeing it finally running. So like I said, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys off here, and then we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Too soon, Junior.
Check engine light, dude. This motherfucker's flash like a motherfucker. Is your check engine light on? Oh, okay. Hey, your check engine light's not flashing or nothing? What's your air fuel at?
Right now?
Whenever you were getting on it?
I don't know, I didn't look. It was like at 10.8.
10.8?
Yeah.
It's not bad. Let's keep an eye on it. What's it boosting? 10? 10? Okay. It's me now.
Stock turbo's coming in fluid.
Put it in work. Got that low torque.
Yeah.
Hit that two-step, dog. Woo, snap. One more time for the front. Let's hear that turbo spool. Yeah, go for it. Woo-hoo-hoo. This car's a beast. All right, guys, gotta go. Subscribe, like the channel, do all that good stuff. Peace.